Look at this video.
People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer, but yeah, I'm thinking I'm back. Whoever comes, whoever it is, I'll kill them. I'll kill them all.
This entire cinematic AI film, the kind that looks like it cost thousands, was created with zero budget in just minutes. And today I'm breaking down the exact automation stack that generates these in bulk with consistent characters. For the past few days, I've tested dozens of automation workflows. Most were slow, some were complicated, a few were expensive. But this is the fastest free pipeline I found, and it works even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI-powered, creativity-fueled. Let's dive in. Step 1. Story Engine, ChatGPT. Start by generating your cinematic story in ChatGPT. Copy the first prompt from the cheat sheet and paste it. I am making 1-minute video as a demo, but you can make long videos. I have tuned my prompt according to my needs. Use my prompt as a reference and tune according to yours. ChatGPT will generate 10 structured scene prompts, each ready for image generation and later motion conversion. Once generated, copy everything into a document. Keep it organized. This will be your master control file. Step 2. Character consistency hack. Critical step. This is where most creators fail. Consistency. If your character changes face, hairstyle, or outfit every scene, your cinematic illusion breaks. So, we lock the character profile, copy the second prompt from the cheat sheet and paste it into ChatGPT. You'll receive a detailed character profile block, and this becomes your visual anchor. Now go to Whisk and log in. Paste the character profile prompt. Before clicking Generate, select Portrait Ratio 9:16. You'll get two options. Choose one. Download it. Click the black arrow. Drag your selected image into Subject. If your story has multiple characters, repeat this process for each one. Once done, lock the seed. This ensures consistency across scenes. Step 3. Bulk image automation. Now we must download Auto Whisk extension. Once downloaded, open extension by clicking this. A pane opens. Change language to English and select version 7.6. Now we tweak few settings to not waste time and credits. Select blank line separated so that every individual prompt block we give is considered as one prompt, if not every line is considered as a prompt. Select aspect ratio to 16:9 as we are making full screen video. Set image count to 2 so that we will have a choice to select one. As we have selected API, we can give reference image here itself, which means the whole process is worked within the extension itself. Now go to settings and make sure auto download is checked so that whatever scene is generated is downloaded automatically to our system. Go back to control, paste your full 10 scene prompt block. You'll see all 10 prompts recognized automatically. Click start. Images will begin generating and downloading one by one, and you can grab a coffee and relax. Rename files scene by scene in order. Sequence matters. Step 4. Bulk video automation. Now we convert images to cinematic motion. Install Grok automation extension. Open it. When you open Grok Automation, a side pane opens showing Navigate to Grok. Click on it. This comes when you are not in Grok web page. We need to play with few settings here. Select frame to video as we are using scene images. Leave model default. Select aspect ratio to 16:9 as we are doing full screen video. We will select output video per prompt as 2, so that we will have choice to choose from for every prompt. Output image per prompt to 6. Leave default video frame to 6, which is free. If you want lengthier clip, we need paid versions like Super Grok. Let's set maximum retrace on a failure of generation of video to 5. Change auto download quality to 720p for better quality. Save settings. Now go to control. Set prompt delay between 10 to 15 seconds. This is the number of seconds it waits between prompt to prompt when running in batches. Now we need to drag and drop all our 10 scene images which were downloaded in Whisk. Before dragging images, make sure they must be renamed in order. Upload your scene images in order. The sequence matters. Now select the 10 prompts block and paste it here. Make sure to have a break between every prompt. Keep every individual prompt as a block. This is how extension knows which block is a prompt. The extension will auto-map each image to each prompt. Click Run and relax. Each scene gets converted, upscaled and downloaded automatically. If a prompt fails after 5 retrieves, it skips and continues. You can fix and rerun later. Rename final video clips properly. Step 5. Voiceover. If you're using background music only, skip this step. But if you need narration, copy the third prompt into ChatGPT. It converts story into cinematic voiceover narration. Once generated, go to ElevenLabs. Paste narration, generate voice, and download. If you want step-by-step usage of ElevenLabs, watch my earlier video, horror or suspense video. I have explained it in detail. Step 6. Editing. We can use any editing tool such as CapCut or Canva. I will use Canva today. Add voiceover first, then drop clips in order. Add subtle end transitions. Add cinematic music at 20% volume. Download. Done. I covered the key steps here. If you want detailed tutorials on Whisk, Grok, ElevenLabs, watch my earlier videos linked on screen. Thanks for watching UTC AI Studio. AI powered, creativity fueled. If this workflow saved you hours, comment automation. I'll drop the next free stack soon. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.